today we're going to play with slime! But guess what, guys? We're going to do a slime channel blindfolded! We're going to make a lovely slime, but we can't choose which colour because we're going to be blindfolded and we can't see. We need to grab 3 glues and 1 glitter. Are you ready? But before we do it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderland.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, I start.
Oh no! I hope Danny's not going to get my favourite one, the pink one, because this is my favourite. Don't worry, come next to Mama. Danny, which colours do you want to get?
Blue, yellow, and silver, but not this because this doesn't make glitter visible.
And I'm going to grab all of them except this one because this doesn't make glitters. And I would just want to get this silver because silver will make it become more sparkly.
Now, I'm going to close my eyes and Julie will mix all the colours and I'll pick 3 of them.
Mix, mix, mix. Start, Danny.
This.
What else?
This.
Okay.
This.
That's bad. Danny, that's like
I'm going this. I'm going to open my eyes. Oh, yes! I wanted this and this, but not this. Because this and this make purple. And purple will be super purple.
I hope I get these 2 because these 2 I think will make orange. I was so terrified when Danny was closest to the blue because I was so terrified that Danny would take the pink out. Okay, Danny.
Now close your eyes. Don't peek. There we go.
Okay, I take my eyes off. Let me close.
Go.
Danny, did you take some out?
Go, go, no. Close your eyes and never open them again.
Because you're going to take some out.
No. Okay.
Okay. This is the video.
Oh no. No, she opened her eyes! She opened her eyes!
No, I got it because I remixed them, Danny. I want to put in the pink.
Go, close your eyes.
Okay.
Go.
No.
Oh.
Yes! Yes! I wanted these 2!
I knew she was cheating!
I was not cheating.
I think we have to do a round 2 because I think she was cheating.
Yeah, let's do 2 rounds.
I'm going to put purple first to see what will happen.
I'm so...
Oh, glitter.
Yes, glitter!
I'm going to close my eyes
I'm
first.
so...
At least I have to get this. That 3 nice colours and 4 bad.
I hope I get silver because
Even this one I want.
If I get silver, that would be mine.
I'm going to close my eyes. Mix them.
Mix.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yes.
Aww. I like these matches.
Now let's see what I get.
She can get more nice colours. Go. Yes!
Nice colour. At least that we didn't get that bad colours because we both got 2 colours that we like.
And one that we didn't. Purple!
A really tiny bit.
There we
But
go.
This red is strange because all the glitters are at the bottom.
Funny. Okay. I want the red glitter to be on the blue.
Okay, perfect.
Let's put a bit of red.
Then your colours seem like a pizza.
What?
The red seems like tomato sauce.
The red seems like jelly. Jelly, webby jelly.
Okay, now please make this pink become the best colour of the whole ride. Danny,
Yes?
since that these slimes are so nice, after shall we do another round?
Yes, of course. Let's go. Yay. Why it doesn't come out?
You know I like this colour because I have even a pink one. And now, yellow, make this one more nice. Because I really want to know what will happen.
Now, I'm going to add the glitters.
I'm going to put a tiny bit because I'm scared.
I want to put a lot.
Seriously? Okay, perfect. This is how my bowl looks like for now.
And this is how my one looks like.
Let's put the activator.
No, let's mix first.
Yes, right.
I knew it. It's purple.
Wow! This is so nice. It's like the caramel.
Look at mine.
Danny, I don't want to say about that
I
colour.
really like mine. It's a bit red. I thought it would become purple.
Look how nice mine is. I'm so happy that it became orange.
Okay, let's add the activator.
As you can see, it's still liquid, so we need to put the activator so it can become slime.
Even though it's liquid, it will become slime after.
Because this is the magic liquid.
Mine is coming.
I'm going to put a really tiny bit because I'm scared that it will become too, like, sticky. No, this makes...
Mine's becoming slime.
I'm just going to mix more. So then it will... I'm not going to touch it yet because...
Wow. It's purple and it has lots of glitters inside.
I'm not going to touch
I can see silver, red, yellow glitters too.
Me too. Mine,
So nice.
mine is wonderful.
Yeah, but I think Julie won the round.
Let me touch it with my hands. Wow, it's so nice. But Danny, can you put a bit more liquid in my hand?
No.
Hey, camera mom, can you help us?
I will leave you like
No.
this forever.
I'm going to touch your head. Help me. No. But I think this round is won by me.
Mine
Look
is
at these
very
glitters.
stretchy.
I think I won this round because this orange isn't the classic orange. It's a caramel orange. Look at mine, Danny. Hi.
Ready for the second round. But Julie, you will start now.
Oh no.
Close your eyes. Don't peek now.
I did not make before.
Close your eyes and don't open it.
I'm just gonna take this roll of slime. Okay, now I'm gonna close my eyes.
Go.
Let me check this one. Yes.
Okay.
No. No, yes. We
Okay.
come here.
Okay. I think they're good.
Oh, I think they're bad.
I wanted all these, but
Danny,
I got lots of good ones left.
Danny, please can I change this? And then if you get a bad one, you can change it.
No. Now I'm gonna close your eyes.
Let me.
I got some good color. La 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 la.
You can start.
This one.
Yes.
This one. And this.
Whoa.
Why is this silly purple? Why is this?
Nanny, if you change that, I'm gonna change.
Okay.
this.
Yes.
You change it. No, I did not mean that. I meant that we both change these from these. Yes. Danny, but you do
Okay.
it. No, Danny, you need to
Oh,
close
you
your
need to
eyes.
close your
Oh
eyes.
yeah.
Close your. I'm gonna mix.
If I get purple again.
Whoa.
Okay. I can't moan.
Okay.
Go. I'm still mixing. Yes!
I can't believe I changed the red for this. But wait, we still need to choose the glitters, but there's no how because then this is gonna be ruining it. Mixing them.
I'm gonna count them. How many did I say?
Done.
You took some out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Julie, I
they're-
saw you.
They're all there.
This one.
I
saw you.
No,
I saw you.
I did not pick that. No, I did not.
Julie, close your eyes.
Don't pick them out.
Hey.
I see.
Even you did it.
Whoa! Promise that you're not gonna take them out.
mixing.
Danny gave me.
Yay!
This time I haven't been so lucky.
I've been very lucky because I got yellow glitter, green glitter,
Metallic blue.
yeah,
And no,
red glitters.
this is my second favourite colour and I'm so sad.
And
But-
she got blue glitter, silver glitter, white and gold glitter.
I'm
Now
gonna
let's
start
start.
I'm going to start by making a really tiny bit and then I'm going to do it from here so then it will come out.
I want to see how much you put. See how much you put if you're cheating. Julie.
Perfect.
Julie.
What?
Julie.
No, that counts. You know, no, Daddy, no.
That's it.
Stop, Daddy, stop. I'm with you.
No! That's enough, okay? I'm gonna put the green glitter now.
Stupid.
Oh my god.
Okay. What else shall I put? Now I'm going to put this, and I need to put a really light. I hope the glitters don't be ruined. That seems like, hey, come out. Is anyone in the room?
And you glitters will see because you didn't put a lot.
It's 40.
That's it, Julie. I'm gonna put the yellow glitter now. I think this will make blue.
No, because yellow and blue make green.
Oh yeah.
Annie, can you give me a bit of yellow? I'm going to give
No.
you a bit of blue.
Yes. You go first. More. Look how much I gave you.
But wait, I still did not put it in
Oh, yeah.
me. So this means that we're gonna have 4 colours. Danny, now
There you go.
now you're gonna have 2 double blue.
I'm gonna put my last blue.
I already finished, but I want to put a bit more of this to make it look more.
But Julie, remember your glitters.
Yeah, I know. I put it as much glitter as I can, so then it won't ruin.
Wow and wow.
Now it's time to mix it. But guys, remember, under all of this, there's the white one. Let's hope it doesn't ruin anything.
Wow.
Wow, it did not. Wow. It's galaxy color.
Wow. I think I won. Incredible.
That's galaxy color.
I made lots of slime.
I made a bit less. But
Thank you for the blue.
Thank you for the yellow.
Wow. You can see yellow glitters, red, green, purple too.
I can see my gold glitter.
They didn't even add purple this round. I'm sorry, Julie. I think this time I won.
Let's see if now we can do a bubble. And I do like this. Move your hands. That did not work.
I made a bubble. Oh. Okay, give me back the slime. Time for the last round. Let's see who will win.
Who will win will be the ultimate champion. Okay, let's mix it. I finished.
Promise you didn't get colours out?
No, you can't.
Getting this. Nope. This. And this. This.
Danny, you got gold, but then you put it back.
Okay.
And I'm so happy that you did not get
This. This.
And
This. Okay. Close your eyes.
okay, Julie, Danny, promise that you can't take colours out.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you hear that?
This is not hard. Maybe I'm gonna grab this. Danny, did you take anything?
No.
Let me see this. This can go.
Whoa! Julie, you want to put our purples back and pick another colour?
Yes.
I saw you took out pink.
No, Danny.
I saw you took out pink. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Danny.
Using this.
Let me close my eyes. Julie, you can do it. This one, definitely no. I don't see nothing.
Yes! No! We both got our purples back.
Danny, let's try it again.
Okay, Julie. Okay.
So quick.
This no. This no. This maybe. This no.
Danny, that's purple. I'm
Promise.
saying. Yeah. Don't grab that. Yeah, that's not it.
That's the other one.
That's still purple. Let me choose. Yay, I'm so happy.
Okay. Now.
Glitters. Blue.
Blue.
This time I did not get nothing on it.
Yes.
I'm a bit happy.
Wait. Now I've got green glitter, red glitter, metallic, and blue glitters.
I got glitter, pink glitter, and blue glitter, and green glitter.
I want silver.
Here you go, Danny. Silver is coming through.
More. Julie.
If it's,
Wait, let's do a bit from here because I don't want to waste.
give me some. Okay.
There you go.
Happy that I have metallic. Blue, you made everything more light, and now my favorite one, pink.
A bit of red. A bit of red. I don't want to ruin everything. Oh no. Add the glitters now.
Danny, do you want to change them? Oh, never
Wait.
mind. I'm just gonna draw a really tiny bit of glitter because I already have.
Can I have some of that?
No.
Now let's mix it.
Shall I have some more of this?
Oh.
That's so nice. Let's see what. This is how mine looks like. Let's see if I mix it will become more worse or nice. I think nice.
Ooh la la.
It's becoming like purple.
Wow.
Wow. This is so nice. It's so blue. Danny, why is yours grey?
No, it's silver, Julie.
Wow, this is so amazing. But Danny,
Yeah.
yours became a bit green, and mine is so like this blue, really galaxy.
Yeah, but I think we have both good slime, so I think it's a draw this game.
Danny, shall we ask our telecamera mum which one is the best?
I've got the feeling she's gonna pick both. Telecamera mum, who do you think is better?
This is the worst slime that we
Who
made.
is the winner? Both.
Me?
I guess.
Me.
Is it both?
Look at mine with all these glitters.
Look at mine.
this-
Look,
and this-
it has lots of pieces and then come back together.
This is a galaxy color. This is a galaxy color.
And mine is silver.
This is
Very
like the
nice.
sky and the ocean.
Okay, do I have to judge color-wise
Color.
or
Color.
slime-wise?
Color. Which one is the
Colour?
best?
I think both.
I think mine.
Both.
Yes, I knew it.
And the slime?
Slime-wise, I will pick Julie.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, but it's a draw.
It's a draw.
Look, mine is so nice.
Achoo!
Danny, don't. Danny, I'm
Gasping.
gonna grab a tissue. Ew, you're touching you. Stop. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.